If you think choosing your next smartphone is easy, think again. Because the OnePlus 15 and the iPhone 17 are about to make that decision a whole lot harder. One of these phones packs the fastest mobile CPU on the planet, and the other delivers one of the smoothest real-world experiences we've ever tested. And trust me, the winner is not the one you're expecting. Today we're comparing the brand new OnePlus 15 with Apple's latest iPhone 17, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is worth your money. Let's get into it. Before we dive deep, here's the setup. The OnePlus 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, backed by insanely fast LPDDR5X Ultra, plus RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage. It's literally designed to dominate benchmarks, multitasking, gaming, everything. OnePlus claims huge jumps in performance, 20% faster CPU, 35% better efficiency, 23% GPU improvement, and a massive 37% boost in AI performance thanks to the new NPU. Basically, if you care about raw speed, this phone is a rocket. The iPhone 17 takes a different approach. Apple doesn't brag about percentages or numbers, but what it does give you is signature smoothness, unmatched optimization, and a level of consistency you rarely get in Android phones. The US version with 256GB storage continues Apple's tradition of focusing on balance, efficiency, and long-term performance, something that shows up more in everyday use than in spec sheets. Let's talk real-world experience, because that's what matters. On the OnePlus 15, everything feels instant. Apps open the moment you tap them. Animations feel liquid smooth. Jumping between heavy apps doesn't make it break a sweat. And if you're a gamer, this thing pushes stable 120 FPS in supported titles, and it does it without heating up as much as previous generations. The AI upgrades also help with background tasks, camera processing, and even battery management. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 gives you that classic iPhone reliability. Nothing stutters, nothing crashes. The animations feel incredibly polished because the entire system is optimized for Apple's hardware. And if you're someone who stays in the Apple ecosystem, AirPods, iMessage, iCloud, the experience feels almost effortless. It just works. Battery life remains one of Apple's strongest selling points, and even with heavy use, the iPhone 17 easily gets through a day. However, the differences show up depending on who you are. The OnePlus 15 is built for performance lovers, gamers, power users, creators, and anyone who wants the absolute fastest smartphone hardware available. It's wild how much power this phone packs, but the iPhone 17 is built for stability, consistency, and longevity. If you want a phone that feels smooth today, next year, and even 3 years from now, the iPhone 17 is still unmatched in long-term software performance. So, which one should you buy? If you're all about raw power customization, 120 frames per second gaming, and having the fastest chip on the market, the OnePlus 15 is the monster you're looking for. But if you want a phone that's reliable, simple, incredibly smooth, and designed to last, the iPhone 17 is still the smarter long-term pick. Both are incredible in their own way, but choosing the right one depends on what you value more, speed or stability. All the links to both phones are below in the description, including the best deals available right now. Check them out, compare the prices, and decide which one fits your style. If you enjoyed the breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and drop a comment telling me which one you're going for. Team OnePlus or Team iPhone? Thanks for watching, and remember, the best phone isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that fits you.